This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Fiat 500 key. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. A clean, well-lit workspace is also important to prevent losing tiny components. This simple process will help you replace your key's battery quickly and efficiently, ensuring your remote functions perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, carefully examine your Fiat 500 key fob to locate the small seam running along its edge. This is where we will begin. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Apply light, steady pressure to create a small gap. Avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing. The goal is to slowly separate the two halves. Once you have a small gap, gently twist the screwdriver to further pry open the key fob's casing. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. Inside, you will see the circuit board and the old CR2032 battery. Carefully lift out the old battery. Note its orientation before removal, as the new battery needs to be inserted the same way for proper function. With the old battery removed, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces upwards. This is crucial for correct operation. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Test your key to confirm it's working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.